One of the things that we like to do that's out there is we like to inspire VR tools worldwide. Now, has anybody heard of VR? Okay, what does VR stand for? Virtual reality, okay? So we are a virtual reality company, and one of the things that we've done with some of our content is that we've done things on top of Mount Everest. We've done things for Shark Week. Anyone heard of Shark Week? Okay. We've worked with all sorts of different companies like that. We've worked with Paramount Studios. Have anybody heard of Paramount? So this is what we just released. Okay, one of the things that we want to be able to do is to make it really inexpensive for everybody. So you can actually buy this camera system for less than 300 bucks. Okay? Now you can do it all inside of this one little camera system. And we've made it so simple that anybody can be able to do this. So let's create a selfie shot. Okay? And what is the problem? Well, what's so cool about this particular camera system, you just stand in a circle, snap one photo, and guess what I just did? Captured everybody in a matter of seconds. We got some headsets. We're going to take part of the team, go upstairs. Part of the team can talk with Mike. You can kind of see how that type works. And then we'll actually show you how the camera works.
Dream it!
Do it!
Oh, come on, I didn't hear you. Dream it!
Do it!
That's a little better.